right, just giving y'all a few minutes. Okay, so welcome to another Outlook. I have two open here. I was supposed to do the outlooks on this layout, but I never got to it. So real quick, what was my outlook actually for the last week? I can't remember. Oh, short-term bearish and long-term bullish. I called it, guys. I called it. Of course I called it. I'm a G. I am a G. What was the other one? I'll go over that too. S&P. What was that? Oh, I was right about this one too. We actually went through it. Let's see. I'm gonna get rid of all this though. I don't really need all that in this. GU. Let's see what's up with GU. Short-term bearish, long-term bullish. Yeah, so it looks like we are going back up. Yeah, we're definitely going back up. So if you're swing trading, now would be a time to get in. Target the 0.1. Real quick, I want to actually go over some gold trades that I took, and that they were actually called out by the bot that I have, the new gold bot that I'm testing out the signals for. But that one's going to be for VIP. It's going to be scalping on the 15-minute, 15-minute and 5-minute. But I'm thinking I might just keep it on the 15-minute. Let me see. Actually, I think I have it on my other layout. Dang it. Okay, then after this layout, I gotta go switch back to the other one. So yeah, so like I said, guys, I called it out. We're going bullish. Real quick, so let me go over these trades. And like I said on my last live stream, I don't go for anything crazy when I'm scalping anymore. Very rarely will I actually go for like a high risk to reward, but not like I used to. Sorry guys, just I'm going back and forth looking at the chats in the Discord. If you have any questions, guys, I try to make streams or live streams every Sunday, but it doesn't always happen that way. So just keep that in mind. If you do ask me questions in the Discord, I try my best to answer you there. If not, I always try to also make a video about it or make a live stream about it. When I do live stream, I would try to answer it on the live stream as well. It's something actually very interesting. Before I get into this trade, uh, there was actually someone in the Discord that was having some trouble with some trades that he was taking, or it's like he asked me something about backtesting, but this was my response to him. Um, let me see if I can find it, because it's the chat's everywhere, man. Man. I'm trying to find it because it was really good. I'm gonna make a psychology video about it too. It's very, very oh, okay, because he said and I'm not trying to call him out or single him out. You know, I'm not trying to embarrass him either, because he's also struggling. He's in the same place I used to be at, you know. So in no way, shape, or form am I trying to call anyone out. I'm not even gonna mention his name. So he asked me, have you got any tips on gold? My problem is I miss many opportunities as the price sometimes doesn't reach my zones. Last trade I won with gold was 2 weeks ago. So this was my response. It's because of your strategy. This is completely normal, especially if you're trading only one strategy on one pair. Sometimes on one of my strategies, I won't get a setup for a month, and that's okay. I have multiple proven strategies to help me deal with that, which I have shared. And then I told him I'll probably make a video on this. So he asks, his response was, should I look for multiple pairs in, such as Euro USD, GBP, JPY? And my last response to him was, find pairs that align with your strategy. If possible, backtest each pair thoroughly to see which works best. For example, you might favor Euro USD, but backtesting could reveal that your strategy doesn't perform well with it. See what I mean? And then he says, yeah, I see now understood that backtesting could really be important. So, ladies and gents, I can't emphasize backtesting enough. You have to backtest, because, like I told him, you might favor a certain pair thinking that is the best pair for you to trade, but you won't actually know until you backtest, and you'll realize, you know what? I'm glad I backtested, because if I would have done this live, I would have gotten wrecked. Okay? So just a little tip for you guys, all right? So anyways, the gold bot called out these two trades, and it's really based more off of fair value gaps. But I'm going to explain it to you in a way that it's not so it'll be like in a way that it's coded. I'm going to explain it to you like as if I was live trading this, as if I was doing this, okay? So that way it doesn't confuse you if I tell you these are the parameters of the bot, this is how the bot's set up, or it's coded or whatever. It's just going to confuse you, and there's really no reason for me to explain that. So it does use the trend on the 6 hour, and it filters out the trades because it's trading with the trend. So basically the trend was bullish, or at least it looked like it was going to be bullish overall by the type 1 structure. The type 1 structure, remember guys, I keep telling y'all, look at my videos, the intermediate to advanced market structure video. Type 1 structure says that we're bullish. So back to the trades. Okay, so I don't trade Fridays, by the way. And also, if you want free signals, I do give out free signals in the Discord. I give out signals for GBP USD. But the bot, there's another bot that I have that calls those out. So they're really, really good signals. We actually had a couple wins here. We've had a lot of wins. Let's see if I can find that. Yeah, TP hit, TP hit, TP hit. And as you can see, there's no edited. There's not a single edited text that appears. So anyways, we're bullish, right? Fair value gap, all right? Fair value gap, we're bullish on the higher time frame. We're bullish on the 5-minute. An order block right here. What does price do? Retraces down into this fair value gap here, and then waited for some bullish momentum, which was this candle right here. Entered, stop loss at this order block, and then we targeted a 1. Well, it really was a 1-to-1, but I accidentally put 1-to-4, but it's really a 1-to-1, and that's it. Easy. Same thing here. We got some liquidity here that it needed to target, and fixed 1-to-1, but there's no fair value gap. Either way, it was fine. Called it out, tapped into the order block, some bullish momentum, which would have been this candle right here, because it mainly looks for bullish engulfing candles. And that's it. It's that simple. That's simple, guys. That is super easy. Confluence on the 6 hour, bullish momentum, 5 minute, bullish momentum. Now, if you guys want, you could also start targeting highs if you want, but it's up to you here. I went for a fixed 1-to-1 instead, because if I would have targeted the high, it would have been a negative RR. I don't like negative RRs too much, but especially when on gold. If it's like a Forex pair, I'm okay with it. But yeah, that's literally it. There's nothing special about my trading strategies. Super simple. I try keeping them as simple as possible. You guys can study this. I will also be sending out case studies. That way you guys can look at them, study them yourself. I try giving you as much info on them, so that way if you're trading supply and demand, or if you've got a fair value gap strategy, or if you're trading one of my strategies, you'll be able to use some of the examples here that I reference. Okay, but yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. That's simple. I don't complicate this. I try not to complicate it at all. So real soon I will have those that gold signals group available, but you guys will have to pay for that. It's not gonna be expensive. I'm thinking I'm just might keep it at 15 bucks. I want to add more things other than signals, but I have yet to come up with something like worthwhile. But we'll see. We'll come up with something at some point. But yeah, that is it for that part, for that recap. Now let's begin with the outlooks themselves. Okay, so like I said, we are overall bullish. Some Elliott wave markups here. Oh, and I was right about this one too. I'm telling y'all, we doing it live, baby. We doing it live. Okay, so we have. Let me use this instead. Okie dokie. Okay, so the only thing that worries me when it comes to gold is this right here. This failed breakup structure. That is the only thing that worries me. But we did not break past type 1 structure. This main structure right here. We haven't broken past it, but price could always do this. It could do that. That's very possible. But what I do know for sure is that short term we might be bearish. Short term we might be bearish. I might either target this fair value gap somewhere around this high, right? Might be targeting that, or to target this order block right here. Anything can happen. Hopefully this failed breakup structure isn't gonna hold, and it'll hopefully take it out. I am hoping that is what price will do, because we have had, again, failed breakup structures here, and price reacted favorably. I'm thinking I might watch a Jackie Chan movie. Sorry guys, I'm letting my intrusive thoughts come out. But yeah, favorably here, broke past this failed breakup structure. So I'm hoping that's what we're gonna get, guys. So short-term bearish here, somewhere into this fair value gap. If not, it may or may not come back. We'll see. But just keep an eye out, guys, for more momentum towards the upside. So overall bias, bullish. Overall bias is bullish. Any good movies you guys recommend? I'm trying to find something interesting, you know, something that's gonna captivate me. I don't know. I'm trying to expand my mind a little bit, my horizons. Leave them down in the description below, please. So that is it for gold. That's mainly what I'll be looking at right now. I'm not planning on trading anything else, to be honest. Maybe a few swing trading stuff. I actually have something that I'm looking at and that I'm in. I will show you guys in a sec, actually. Let's see here. Show long-term bullish, short-term bearish. Yeah. Price might trace into the fair value gap, but keep an eye out for bullish in case it does not completely retrace into it. Bam. Trying to help y'all out, man. Y'all missing out. Y'all missing out. Okay, what was I in? I think it was EuroCAD. Okay, yeah. So when it comes to I'm using my swing trading strategy here. Now this is more like of a B plus setup because I don't really have much liquidity. I do have, I think it's type A liquidity, no, type B liquidity, which is this fair value gap. But at the end of the day, price is gonna do what it wants, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking it might target this fair value gap. Who knows? It may or may not target it. But yeah, if you guys are looking to enter into swing trade, now is the time for Euro CAD. Okay. And what's the other one? Man, I'm so busy, guys. That's why I have to always look back because I don't remember always doing something. Euro AUD. You don't always need liquidity, guys, for these setups, because as long as, like I said, as long as you have something else to compensate for it. So here's another one, but this one's a little, you just gotta be a little, a little careful. You may or may not get stopped out. If I do get stopped out, but I see that it does not break past this low in terms of bearish candles with some strong momentum, I'm gonna get in. I'm still gonna get in. So yeah, make sure, guys, make sure you're not just entering these trades blindly. So same thing here, except the difference here is that this fair value gap was already traded into. So I don't know. I think the only thing holding this is the fact that this is just an order block right here. So Hopefully it'll go back up. But that's it, guys. That's all I have. Like, it's not. I don't have anything crazy going on. Um. Oh, I think I told what's his name? I told him. I think the last stream I forgot what his name was. I told him that he should have gotten out because he was gonna get ripped through. He was entering somewhere in here for a buy. I can't remember exactly. But if you remember last stream, I had one of my uh one of my people, I guess, in the Discord asked me to review US 30 because I think he was in longs. Oh yeah, he was longs in like a 1 minute or 5 minute time frame, and I told him he should get out because it looked like price was gonna come down, and it did. So I hope you got out, man. I hope you got out because I told you it was not looking good. It was either US 30 or ANQ. Whoa. Oh yeah, let's talk about this dip, man. Let's talk about what's going on right now on Wall Street for a sec. So I think not only have we already been in a recession, I mean we are, it's obvious that we are, but now we have banks closing, or banks closing like certain branches down, and those are always a big sign of like a bad recession, kind of like '08, even the Great Depression. So I'm not saying we're going to be in the Great Depression. I'm not trying to scare anyone, but anything is possible, especially with the current administration that we have. So just be very careful, guys. Don't spend your money on things that you don't need right now. uh, Save, invest, but don't be dumb. Please be very careful, y'all. Be very careful with your money, especially now that times are not looking so good. So, and I think what's his name, Warren Buffett has sold some Apple stock. I think half of his holdings. And the reason why that's really significant, guys, is because Apple stocks are generally considered to be, I believe the term is blue chip stocks. But essentially, Apple's one of those like stocks that are considered to be safe haven stocks. So stocks that won't really ever go out of business, or companies that have the least probability of failing. And so that's what a lot of people that are new to trading, they're always told, hey, buy stocks like an Apple, Samsung, or IBM, stuff like that. But when you start seeing big money people pull out their stocks, like half of their stock off of a blue chip company, that is not good. That is a sign that something big is going down, and this person knows. And look, guys, you don't have to take my word for it, but I know my first mentor, he used to work in Wall Street, and he told me all the time, he's like, man, if you think that insider trading is not not happening in these institutions, man, you're completely wrong. That's like saying that's like saying corruption cannot exist because we have laws, right? Obviously that's not true. These guys don't care, man. Institutions have been caught insider trading all the time, and all they do is pay a couple of fines here and there because they are the ones with big money. You really think that they're going to put these people out of business, considering they're the ones that if something happens to them, they're going to be responsible for the market crashing? I don't think so, man. I don't think anything's going to happen to these guys. All they do is find them, and they just see it as a price or a cost of business, of doing business. They help each other out. They get caught every now and then. They pay a little fine. That's just like a little fee for, for doing some business here in the U.S. Here's a couple of $100 million or whatever. We made billions of dollars. This is nothing. Come on, y'all. Think. Don't be so naive, man. So yeah, of course these guys are dirty, man. So, guys, be very careful. I hope you're liquid, and I hope you're only trading what you need to trade and not over trading. Don't be stupid with your money, especially now. Now is the time to be careful. Now is the time to learn how to trade and take trading serious, because even if the market is going down, there's still ways to capitalize off of it. And if you haven't seen the movie The Big Short, you need to watch it. Amazing movie. Amazing movie. Every day trader or every person that wants to be a day trader, you have to watch that movie. It is incredible. Let's see. What else do I have for y'all? I don't think I had anything else. Actually, this looks like a good short right here. Look at this, guys. If you find a re-entry, this might be a good short. Oh, wait a minute. Well, I don't know. I'd be very careful now that I think about it. I'd be very careful about that. Yeah, I don't see this breaking past through here, so we might be into some bias, guys. I think we're definitely bullish on GJ. It's reacting off of this area right here, and barely any fair value gaps. This one right here got filled in real quick. Yep. So if you're trading GJ, I'd be looking into some bias right now. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Nobody really asked for anything special other than gold. Everybody loves trading gold. Oh my god, people are such bops for gold, man. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If there's anything that you want me to take a look at, a video you want me to do, something that you're struggling with and you just want me to give you an answer, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to book a 15-minute call with me, I think they're only like 15 bucks, so really like a minute per dollar per minute, nothing crazy. If you want to reach out to me on the Discord, I'll do my best to answer you guys' questions. And yeah, guys, I hope this gave you guys a pretty neat outlook. Yeah, how about this, guys? I'll do y'all an analysis on you guys' favorite pair, Nas 100. How about that? Because I don't want to leave you guys without a little sum here. Let's see. Hold on. Damn, that's pretty bullish. But I don't think that held. I don't even think that held. No, that did not hold. But what I can say, is this did. Alright, you guys. This is what I've got for you. It's kind of neutral. Yeah, I'm a little neutral on it too. But here's what I think, y'all. These fair value gaps, they got filled in, and there was an order block that ended up getting filled in too. As a matter of fact, let's just say that this is a whole order block somewhere on the higher time frame. Either way, price strongly rejected it off of it twice. First rejection here, second rejection here. We're breaking structure towards the upside. This fair value gap got respected. Look at that. Y'all see that? See that? Fair value gap how it got respected. Took out that high. Although it didn't close over that high. But we might be short-term bearish. Either taking out this fair value gap or maybe even retesting this order block again. But I think we're going to go back up bullish. I don't know for how long. Maybe it might be going back up here to fill some fair value gaps. Considering that the market's not doing good, maybe price might be targeting these fair value gaps at some point. So yeah, I can see why it'll be a little neutral, man. Be very careful, you guys, trading Nas. Maybe if you're gonna scalp on like the 1 or 5 minute, but I wouldn't do any swing trading right now. Yeah, so for you guys that are in Nas, definitely wait a minute, see. Last 1200. What time frame is this crap? 12 hour. Okay. Long-term bullish. I don't know. Change the color on this here. Wait, this should be a bearish rallying up, so it should be red. Yeah, so we'll see what happens, y'all. I wouldn't really mess with Nas right now, but it's up to you guys. Okay, so like I said, that's all I have for you guys. Take it easy, be blessed, do your prayers, be good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.